Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix WhatsApp not backing up. If your WhatsApp backup is stuck or failing, it is usually due to connections issue, insufficient cloud storage, or app specific glitch. Follow these steps to resolve. First of all, you want to make sure to go to settings on your device. You want to make sure to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. That can also help you out. You could also plug in your phone. That means backup often pause if your battery is low. So ensure your device is charging or has a high battery percentage as well. Next, you could also check your cloud storage. Just go to apps from the list and locate WhatsApp from the search bar. There, you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for this permission section, or just go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache, and that should also definitely help you out. Now that you've done this, you could also go ahead and make sure to actually update your app. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version, so hold on to your side search bar, type in WhatsApp, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Now, next thing, you want to open WhatsApp on your device. There, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select the three dot, go to settings, and there you have chats, and you could go ahead and select chat backup and make sure that the backup is toggled on as well. And make sure that you also have enough space for the Google Drive too. So this way you'll be able to fix WhatsApp not backing up. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.